Hi splendid lovers, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today I bring to your screen this very yummy corn dog recipe. You already know now, I bring to your screen amazing recipes. You just want to stick to this channel because trust me, you are going to be getting yummy recipes back to back. Now back to the business of the day. So we'll be making corn dog, and what you need is water, milk, sugar, egg, baking powder, salt, and your all-purpose flour. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive right into it. Add all your dry ingredients into your flour. For this recipe, I'll be using just 1 cup of flour. Please check the description box or the comment section for the correct measurement. Okay, now mix very well to incorporate all your dry ingredients together. Now you are going to crack in 1 egg. Okay, you can crack your egg into a separate bowl and whisk it before adding it to your mixture. Now you are going to add water and mix this gently until your batter is smooth. I added pepper to this recipe because I want it to be spicy. Okay, like I said, check the description box for the measurement. Can you see the consistency of this batter? This is what you want to achieve. Now you are going to get a cup, a bowl, a breakable cup, like just something that is looking like this that you can dip your sausage into. Okay, just transfer your corn dog batter into the cup. After scooping the batter, I'm just going to cover my cup. This is one thing I love about this cup. Okay, it has its cover. Once I'm done, maybe I did not finish the batter at that particular time, I'm just going to pop it right into the fridge. Okay, I can use it next time whenever I want to make my corn dog. Now what you are seeing is my toothpick. You can do this for your toothpick or skewer. You are just going to add it to a bowl of water, then add some vinegar. Okay, you want to be 100% hygienic. You don't want to add germs into your food. Right now you are going to do this. Just do this before you start the whole process of your corn dog. Okay, now you are going to remove the toothpick from the water, transfer it to a kitchen towel, and just use it to extract the water from the toothpick. Right now you are going to get your sausage. I'm using 6 sausages, which I will be cutting into half. Okay, to make 12 half sausages. Now you can decide to leave it like the whole sausage and you don't want to cut it, which is absolutely fine. This I'm making it for my client, so with the price agreement and everything, this is the size I'm to deliver. Okay, it's time to insert my toothpick into my sausage. Now I'm supposed to use a skewer for this, but I don't have any skewer with me at the moment, so I'm just going to make do with what I have, which is my toothpick. Right, so I'm using 2 so that it will be firm. Okay, so I'm just going to insert 2 toothpick each on every sausages I have on my tray. I'm done inserting the toothpicks into my sausages. Now I'm going to get a bowl of flour, then dip my sausage into the bowl of flour. Just coat it nicely with the flour. Okay, you want to do this generously because this flour is going to help your sausage hold the corn dog batter. Okay, this is like a binder or a glue between your sausage and your corn dog batter, right? So you want to coat it very well so that your batter can stick to your sausage. So you are going to do this for all your sausages. If you are watching me right now and you are not subscribed to this channel yet, please hit that subscribe button, okay? Join this amazing community. I bring to your screen cooking and baking recipe that you are absolutely going to love and enjoy. So please subscribe, like the video, share the video, let it get to as many people as possible. Now we are ready to fry our corn dog. Can you see how I dipped my sausage into my cup of corn dog batter? That is what you want to do. Just dip it in, okay? And you are going to bring it out. If it's dripping, try to roll it a bit, okay, before transferring it into your oil. And that is it. Allow this fry until it is golden brown and you are good to go. Remove your corn dog from the oil, put it in a sieve for it to drain out excess oil, and yeah, just transfer to a kitchen towel. Also, it will also help you to extract more of the oil from your corn dog and you are good to go. Now we want to make this yummy sauce that you can enjoy with your corn dog. All you need for this sauce is your mayonnaise and some ketchup, okay? Just about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and 1.5 tablespoon of ketchup is fine. I'm going to be adding my pepper to this, my ground pepper to this. This pepper is so spicy, okay? I love my corn dog to be very spicy. So that is it for the sauce. Mix everything up and you are good to go. You have a very yummy corn dog and a perfect sauce to go with it. Now you can enjoy with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching this video up till this very point. Guys, look how beautiful our corn dog is looking. It tastes even better. I'm not even capping.